Dear student, we are in our chapter solution, lecture number 10. Our theory is completed and we are going to our exercise. Before that, some formula is not given in our book, which is needed. So here we are going to discuss degree of dissociation. Everybody knows degree should be reference to 1, where percentage should be reference to 100. Degree means એક ભાગમાંથી કેટલા ભાગ છે એની ડિગ્રી કહેવાય. Out of one part, how much part, that is degree. Dissociation means ionization occurs. Suppose An is a molecule. So degree of dissociation we have to find here. An is the molecule. It's like this: A4, A5, A6. So molecule A4 gives 4 ions. 4A, yes. A2 હોય તો 2 ions આપે, A3 હોય તો 3 ions આપે. N is the number of atoms in the molecule, which gives the number of ions. So અહીં આપણે proof આપીએ. So suppose initial amount is assumed of molecule is 1. So initially product is 0. At equilibrium, alpha portion is ionized. Yes, that is the degree. One part માંથી alpha part dissociate થાય છે. Suppose કે આ બધાનું 100%, એટલે તો both side લખ્યું. Suppose 100% ionization ના પણ થાય. So 1 minus alpha part dissociate. So remaining 1 minus alpha. So alpha part dissociate એટલે એક molecule n ion આપે તો alpha molecules gives n alpha. Now total mole of at equilibrium will be, at equilibrium how much total moles are present at the equilibrium. So we have to take addition of both remaining mole of reactant and derived mole of product. So 1 minus alpha plus n alpha is the number of mole total at equilibrium, divided by initial mole. Initial is 1. So it gives one top factor I. So 1 multiplied to I. So it will be 1. No change. So I minus 1 equal to n alpha minus alpha. So I minus 1 is equal to alpha common, n minus 1. So alpha will be I minus 1 upon n minus 1. Here alpha is the degree of dissociation and n is the number of ions after dissociation. I છે એ one top factor is known. Then we are subtracting. So this formula we will use in our numericals. And how much ions our molecule gives. So n will be, suppose A3 હોય so 3, A4 હોય so 4. After dissociation how much ion it gives. N is the number of ion after dissociation. Suppose KCl હોય so after dissociation it gives 2. So n will be 2. Understood? L, then K2SO4 is given. So it gives 2K plus and 1 SO4 minus 2. So there are 3. Now dissociation percentage. Yes, degree multiplied by 100. So it gives percentage. Suppose so degree comes between 0 to 1. And one part માંથી suppose 0.92 છે. So divide by, multiply by 100. So 92% dissociation occurs. Degree means one part mathi how much part. Percentage means 100 part mathi how much. This is dissociation. Now association. Association means combining nature. Degree of association. We know sometimes when any molecule, when we dissolve into solvent, so it experiences dimerization, trimerization. Molecules are combining with each other. That is called association. Suppose number of A atoms, A type of atoms are combining and it gives a molecule. Suppose 2 atom combine થાય તો A2 આપે, 3 combining હોય તો A3 આપે, 4 atom combining હોય તો A4 આપે. This is association. એટલે number of particles dissociation માં increase થાય, association માં decrease થાય. Suppose 2 mole હોય તો 1 mole particle થઈ જાય, 3 mole હોય તો 1/3 થઈ જાય. Like this. So number of ions are suppose initial 1 and initially product is 0. At equilibrium, suppose alpha portion out of 1, 5 we are subtracting from 1. 1 is the main part, is assumed 1 part. From 1 part, alpha part is the association experiences. તો આ alpha હોય associate થાય તો n times less થઈ જાય એટલે alpha by n. 2a માંથી a બને, 2a માંથી a2 બને એટલે બે પાર્ટિકલ છે 1 થાય એટલે 1/2 થાય. 3 પાર્ટિકલ માંથી 1 પાર્ટિકલ થાય એટલે 1/3 થાય. તો alpha પાર્ટિકલ માંથી an, so alpha by n. So at equilibrium total mole, yes, so at equilibrium total mole is 1 minus alpha plus alpha by n. So we know formula for Quantoff factor, total mole at equilibrium upon initial mole. So I is equal to 1 minus alpha plus alpha upon n. So I equal to 1 minus alpha plus alpha by n. So here I minus 1 equal to alpha upon n minus alpha. So I minus 1 is equal to alpha is common, 1 minus n, 1 upon n minus 1. So I minus 1 is equal to alpha into 1 minus n upon n. So alpha will be I minus 1 into n upon 1 minus n. Degree of association we can define the one part mathi how much part is associated we can define by using this formula where n means આપણે dissociation માં એટલે એક પાર્ટિકલ how much ion gives એના બેઝ ઉપર n લઈ. તો અહીંયા સપોઝ 2 મોલેક્યુલ કમ્બાઇનિંગ હોય ને 1 બને તો n2 લેવાનું. Suppose 3 combining હોય તો n3 લેવાનું. Percentage is equal to alpha into 100. Alpha multiplied by 100, so it gives a percentage. Now, in our textual question, example number 2.12, read question twice and collect data. Then we can explain. 2 gram of benzoic acid. So benzoic acid is our solute 2 gram. The mass of solute W2 is given 2 gram. Dissolve in 25 gram of benzene. Benzene is our solvent. So mass of solvent W1 is given. Shows a depression in freezing point equal to, depression in freezing point means delta TF 1.62, molar depression constant means Kf is given 4.9. What is the percentage associate of acid, it forms a dimer in solution. The given quantities are W2 2 gram, Kf 4.9. After percentage of association of the acid, it forms a dimer in the solution. Dimer means two molecules are combining. W1 is 25 gram, delta TF is 1.62. So, we know formula of delta TF, Kf into M, 1000 into W2 upon M2 and W1. So here M2 will be Kf into 1000 into W2 upon delta TF and W1. On the basis of it, 4.9, 1000, 2 gram W2, 25 W1, delta TF 1.62. So this is a practically derived value experimentally. Molecular mass of solute, we get value 241.98 gram per mole. Thus experimental molar mass of benzoic acid 241.98. But now following equilibrium for the acid, two molecules dimer means બે મોલેક્યુલ કમ્બાઈન થાય છે અને ટુ મોલેક્યુલ કમ્બાઈન થઈને એક મોલેક્યુલમાં કન્વર્ટ થાય છે. If X represent the degree of association of this solute, then we would have 1 minus X mole of benzoic acid left in unassociated from the correspondingly X by 2 as associated of benzoic acid at equilibrium. Therefore, total number of moles of particle at equilibrium, like 2 mole of benzoic acid combining and two molecules. So suppose initial one 0. So X part alpha instead of alpha, here X part is a associate. Then here will be X by X by 2, sorry. આ બે મોલ છે તો 1 થાય. તો 1 minus X એટલે X part છે, so X by 2 થાય, sorry. So total particle 1 minus X plus X by 2. So 1 minus X by 2. But we know another formula of quantum factor, normal molecular mass upon abnormal molecular mass. Actually, normal molecular mass of benzoic acid is 122. Abnormal practically derived is double 241. 122 divided by 241.98. So it is 0.504. So derived quantum factor here is 0.504. And we know 1 minus x2 is equal to r. So 0.504 is equal to 1 minus x by 2. So here x by 2 is equal to 1 minus 0.504. So 0.496. So x will be 0.496 multiplied by 2. So 0.992. This is the degree of association. And one part માંથી 0.992 part associated. Multiply by 100. So it gives percentage. Yes, sir. So 99.2% association occurs. Understood? Now, next 2.13, 0.6 milliliter of acetic acid. How much? 0.60 milliliter of acetic acid having density 1.06 gram per milliliter is dissolved in 1 liter of water. The depression in freezing point observed for this strength of acid was 0.0205. Calculate the want-of factor and dissociation constant of acid. Dissociation constant means Ka from equilibrium chapter. Here number of moles of the acetic acid. How can we define so? So here mole is equal to mass upon molecular mass. Mole means mass upon molecular mass. So here actually mass is equal to, density is equal to mass upon volume. So mole is equal to mass upon molecular mass. So mass is equal to mole into molecular mass. So here D is equal to N into M upon V. So mole equal to D into V upon M. So mole of acetic acid here directly given. Everything direct, without given any formula. Here volume is 0.6 milliliter. This one. Density gram per milliliter. So we can take here milli will be cut. And molecular mass 60. Yes, molecular mass of acetic acid is 60. Gram per mole, gram cut. So final answer will be in mole. 0.0106 mole is our mole of the acetic acid. Now molality. Molality means mole per kilogram. Mole is derived 0.0106. Here our water is quantity of water is 1 liter volume, but density of water is 1. So mass of the water will be 1000 gram, 1 kg. So 0.0106 1000 milli. Now density is 1 gram per milli. So divide. So here milliliter we have to convert into kilogram. So mole per kilogram and 1000 divide करो. Mole per kilogram gives a molality. So 0.0106 molality. Using this formula, delta TF is equal to Kf into M. Kf given 1.86, molality 0.0106, so 0.0197 Kelvin. Understood? This is a depression in freezing point. But here this value is given. This one is theoretical value, and in the question given delta TF is a observed practical value. So another formula we have to remember: observed value of freezing point. Observed value of the freezing point upon calculated freezing point also gives want-of factor. So 0.0205 divided by 0.0197, 1.041. Now our acetic acid is a weak acid, not a strong. Acetic acid is a weak electrolyte which dissociate. Yes, acetic acid ने बेंजीन में नाखो, remember, तो एनो एसोसिएशन था. वाटर में नाखो तो dissociation થાય. Two ions you can see H plus and acetate ion. If X is the degree of dissociation, yes. Suppose acetic acid is N mole. Initially 0 0. One part minus X part is dissociate. So remaining 1 minus X. So 1 part હોય તો N part માંથી હોય તો N થી multiply થાય. So here NX NX. Equilibrium chapter. This one is N mole. So here 0 0. 1 minus X part is associate. So 1 1 occur થાય એટલે XX multiply by N, so NX NX. So total mole of at equilibrium 1 N into 1 minus X plus NX. N is already taken common, so 1 minus X plus X plus X. So N into 1 plus X. So I is equal to N into 1 plus X, the mole at equilibrium upon initial mole. So here N in cut, I is derived 1.041 1 plus X. So X is equal to 1.041 minus 1. So 0.041 is the dissociation constant. And now at equilibrium, remaining acetic acid after dissociation, so N into 1 minus X. N is derived mole 0.0106 initially. In starting we derived mole of acetic acid, then multiply by 1 minus X. So 1 minus 0.041, so it gives yes. Now occurred acetate NH plus concentration equal to NX. So mole is multiplied by X 0.041. So both are same. So now we know equilibrium constant means concentration of the product upon concentration of the reactant. So we get after putting all the values 1.86. This one is the dissociation constant. Now come to the point. Exercise here start. Axial exercise 2.1 theory. We discussed type of the solutions. Question number 2.2 of your exercise. Give an example of a solution in which the solute is a gas. Solution of hydrogen in palladium. Yes, palladium is a solid and hydrogen gas is observed over it. What is meant by concentration of solution? Amount of solute in unit volume of solution or unit mass of solvent called by different. આપણે જોઈ ગયા છીએ. Exercise 2.4. Concentrated nitric acid is used in laboratory. Concentrated nitric acid used in laboratory. Work is 68% by mass. By mass means weight by weight. Aqueous means in water. Meaning that 68 gram nitric acid and 32 grams should be water, and total will be 100 gram solution. The molarity of such a sample of the acid, if the density of the solution is 1.50 gram per milliliter. So here molar mass of HNO3 63. 68% nitric acid by mass means out of 100 gram, 68 gram of HNO3 solute and 32 gram of water solvent and total 100 gram of solution. Now density of the solution is given 1.504 gram per milliliter. It means 1.50 gram solution equal to 1 milli. Gram per milliliter, 1 milliliter ma mass 1.50 gram thar. So then at 100 gram of solution, how much? So 100 into 1 upon 1.504, 66.489, round about 66.5 milli is our volume. So we get the molarity, mass of solute into 1000, molar mass of solute and volume in milliliter. Why? And 1000, there should be milliliter. 68 into 1000 upon 63 and milliliter 66.5. So 16.23 molarity is our answer. Now textual question exercise 2.5. Solution of glucose in water labeled as 10% weight by weight. What would be the molality, small m, and mole fraction of each component, means solute and solvent in a mole fraction. If the density of solution is 1.2 gram per milliliter, then what shall be the molarity of the solution? So we have to define molality, and mole fraction of solute and solvent. Molar mass of the glucose first 180. Why? See, formula of glucose is C6H12O6. So 12 6 72, 12 1 12, and 16 6 96. So 180 gram per mole. 10% weight by weight solution of glucose in water means 10 gram glucose dissolved in 90 gram of water. 10 gram glucose solute, 90 gram water, so total 100 gram solution. So molality means mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute glucose, mass of solvent in kilogram. When we take kilogram, so there no need to take 1000 upward. So 0.617 mole per kg. 90 gram divided by 1000, so 0.09 kg. 90 gram water છે ને, direct it is taken in kilogram. Now mole fraction. Yes, how can we define small fraction? Everybody knows mole of the particular component upon total number of moles of the solution. Yes. So your mole of the glucose, how can we define, sir? Mass of the glucose upon molar mass. 10 divided by 180. So 0.055 mole. Similarly, moles of water means mass upon molar mass. 90 divided by 80. So 5 mole. So mole fraction of the glucose. Mole of the glucose upon total mole of the solution. 0.055 divided by 0.055 plus 5. So 0.01 is the mole fraction of the glucose. Here only two components. So total mole fractions total will be 1. So for getting mole fraction of water, mole fraction of glucose should be subtract from the 1. કારણ કે બેનો ટોટલ 1 થાય. વોટર અને આ બેનો ટોટલ 1 થાય. तो 1 माइनस करना बोले कैलकुलेट करने जरूर नहीं। सो 0.99 मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द वाटर। नाउ molarity, yes, mass of solution upon density of solution. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So volume is equal to mass upon density. Mass is 100 gram. Density 1.2 gram per milli. So 83.33 milliliter. And in liter, 83.33 10 raised to minus 3 liter. So molarity will be mass of solute 10 gram. Molar mass of solute glucose 180. Volume in liter, so 1000 I know 83.33 10 raised to minus 3. So 0.666, otherwise 0.67 mole per liter. Molarity is our answer. Now question number 2.6 of exercise. How many milli of 0.1 molarity HCl? Most timely question. How many milli of 0.1 molarity HCl are required to react completely with 1 gram mixture of Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 containing equimolar amount of both? એટલે કે 1 ગ્રામ મિક્સચર છે Na2CO3 and of NaHCO3 ટોટલ 1 ગ્રામ બેયનું થઈ જાય અને બેયના મોલ્સ પાછા ઇક્વલ છે. મોલ્સ ઓફ બોથ આર ઇક્વલ. તો એની સાથે રિએક્ટ કરવા માટે these two are base, HCl acid. So acid base reaction occurs. So how many milli of HCl of the 0.1 molarity will be used? To find here, we'll assume total mass of both is 1 gram. First of all, molar mass of Na2CO3 106, 2 sodium 23 46, 1 carbon 12, 16 3 48, 106. Molar mass of sodium bicarbonate 84. Total mass of mixture is 1 gram. So let the mass of Na2CO3 we are assuming x gram. Total 1 gram છે એમાં Na2CO3 assumed x gram. So NaHCO3 1 minus x થાય ને? Yes sir. So now moles of Na2CO3. Mass of Na2CO3 upon molar mass. So x upon 106. Like this. Moles of sodium bicarbonate. Mass upon molar mass. 1 minus x divided by 84. But the number of moles of Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 are equal. So x upon 106 is equal to 1 minus x upon 84. So 84 into x, 84x, 106 into 1 minus x. So here 106 minus 10x. So 84x plus 106x is equal to 106. So 190x is equal to 106. So 106 divided by 190. So value of x 0.5578, 0.558 gram. So 0.558 gram is mass of Na2CO3 out of 1 gram. Now mass of sodium bicarbonate is 1 minus x. 0.442 gram. You can see, so mass of the both component is derived. Now method, Na2CO3 react with 2 mole of HCl, 1 mole with 2 mole, gives 2 NaClH2, balance કરવાનું. આનું મોલર માસ છે 1 મોલ હોય તો 106, 1 મોલ નું 36.5 તો 273, એટલે 106 ગ્રામ હોય ત્યારે આ કેટલા ગ્રામ નીડેડ છે? 73. 106 gram Na2CO3 react with 73 gram from the equation, but here we have 0.558 gram. Na2CO3 will react with how much HCl? So 73 into 0.558 upon 106 gives 0.384 gram. Similarly, sodium bicarbonate reacting with HCl. So 1 mole NaCl, 1 mole water, this equation is balanced. The 1 mole cell 84, 1 mole HCl 36, 84 gram react with 36.5 gram of HCl. So at 0.442 gram, how much HCl needed? 0.192. So total mass of the HCl required for both the component neutralization matter 0.384, 0.19 to the 0.576. So molarity, mass of solute, yes, total mass of solute used of HCl 0.576 needed upon molecular mass of HCl 36.5. Molarity is already given 0.1, so volume we can derive 0.1578 liter multiply by 1000, so 157.8 milliliter needed. Now 2.7, a solution is obtained by mixing 300 gram of 25% solution and 400 gram of 40% solution by mass. Calculate the mass percent of the resulting solution. એટલે 300 gram છે એના 25% by mass, 400 gram છે એના 40% by mass. પછીનું ટોટલ કરવાનું. We know that percentage weight by weight means mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. For the solution 1, 25%. How can we define 25? 25% of 300 gram. Yes, sir. The 300 gram multiply by 25 divide by 1000. So we get 75. એટલે 300 ગ્રામ ના 25% લેવાના છે. So we can say percentage should be reference to 100. 25 out of 100, 25. So at 300 how much? 25 100 માં 25 ગ્રામ. તો 300 માં કેટલા? So 300 into 25 by 1000 divided by, so 75. Yes, like this. Similarly, for solution second, 40% of 400. 40% એટલે 800, it is 40. So at 400 how much? 400 into 40 divided by 100, 160. So now 75 plus 160, how much? 235 is mixed up. This is mass of solute. Now total mass of solution 300 plus 400, The total mass of solution 700. So mass percent of the solute in the resulting mixture. So 235 the mass of solute into 100 upon 700, it gives 33.57. This is the mass percent of the solute. For getting mass percent of solvent, base component oil 100 minus 33.57 gives 66.43. Now 2.8. Example, an antifreeze solution. Antifreeze means આપણે જે વોટર છે એનું ફ્રીઝિંગ પોઈન્ટ 0 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ હોય છે. યસ, we are adding ethylene glycol or some another solute. So freezing point decreases, that is called antifreeze. Prepared from 222.6 gram of ethylene glycol. Yes, ethylene glycol we are adding 222.6 gram in 200 gram water. Calculate the molality of the solution. If the density of the solution is 1.072 gram per mole, then what shall be the molarity of the solution? So here, molar mass of ethylene glycol 2 into 12, 24, 6, 1 ja 6, 12, 16 into 2, 32, so total 62. Now molality. Molality means mass of solute. Molar mass of solute and volume of the solvent. 222.6 mass of solute upon molar mass of the solute and volume of the solvent in kilogram. So 200 divided by 1000. So 17.95 mole per kg is our molality. Now mass of solution total. Solute plus solvent for 22.6. It is given in question. 200 gram water, 222.6 gram ethylene glycol. Total mass of solution 422.6. So density is equal to mass upon volume. So volume is equal to mass upon density. 422.6. 1.072. This one in gram, gram per milli, gram cut, answer in milliliter. So 394.2. 0.3942 divided by 1000 gives a liter. Now molarity. Mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute into volume in liter. Mass of solute 222.6, molar mass 62, liter 0.3942 derived. So 9.10 mole per liter. A sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform, supposed to be a carcinogen. In drinking water, chloroform is present and level of chloroform is in ppm by mass. Express this in percent by mass. Weight by weight. Determine the molality of the chloroform in the water sample. 15 ppm of chloroform means 15 gram chloroform in 10 raised to 6 gram. Yes, parts per million. Let 10 lakh part. 10 lakh part. 10 lakh gram માં 15 gram છે એનો meaning એ થાય. So percentage by mass, mass of solute 15. Another word we can say 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram in 1000 gram. Yes, both are same. 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram in 1000 gram. Both are same. So here 15 gram is taken. Upon mass of solution 10 raised to 6 multiply by 100. So 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3%. For molality, mass of the solvent. So 10 raised to 6 minus 15. So in here about 10 raised to 6. 15 is negligible. 10 raised to 6 gram means 10 raised to 3 kilogram. And 1000 divide karo 10 raised to 3 kilogram. So molality will be mass of chloroform upon molar mass of chloroform. Yes, molecular mass of chloroform carbon 12, hydrogen 1, 3 times 35.5. So 119.5. And mass of water 10 raised to 3. So 0.000125. So 1.25 10 raised to minus 4 mole per kg means the molality. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Bye.